Let's solve this together, okay? It says x minus 2 raised to power 6 equals 8 raised to power 6. We're going to solve for x in this question, okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is to say that x minus 2 is raised to the power of, so 6 is something as 3 multiplied by 2, okay? So we have 3 multiplied by 2 to be equal to 8 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2. If you have this, for example, you can write it as x minus 2 raised to the power of 3, okay, squared, to be equal to 8 raised to the power 3 squared. Okay? We can move this over to the left hand side. So we have that x minus 2 raised to the power of 3 squared minus 8 raised to the power of 3 squared is equal to 0. Okay? Now, using the law of difference of two squares here, we have that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, okay? Applying this law here, we're going to have that this becomes x minus 2 cubed plus 8 cubed multiplied by x minus 2 cubed minus 8 cubed to be equal to 0. Moving on from here, when the product of things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x minus 2 cubed plus 8 cubed is equal to 0, or that this part is equal to 0, okay? We have this cube plus this cube is equal to 0. So this is sum of 2 cubes. So you can use a lot of sum of 2 cubes to solve this. So when you have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Applying this law here, we're going to have that this is x minus 2, okay, plus 8, okay, multiplied by x minus 2 squared minus, okay, this is 8 into x minus 2 plus 8 squared to be equal to 0. Okay, now x minus 2 plus 8 is as x plus 6 multiplied by x squared minus 4x plus 4. This is minus 8x plus 16 plus 64 equals 0. Okay, moving on from here, we can now say that we have that this is x plus 6 into, this is x squared plus 4x, minus 4x minus 8x is minus 12x. And we have 4 plus 64, 4 plus 16 is 20 plus 64 is 84 to be equal to 0. Now from here we have that it's either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to negative 6 or x squared minus 12x plus 84 is equal to 0. Now, solving this, we use the quadratic formula. We have that x here will now be equal to minus times minus 12 is plus 12 plus or minus square root of 12 squared is 144 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 84. So 4 times 84 is 336 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. And this is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of negative 192 all over 2. This is equal to 12 plus or minus root of negative 192 as I multiplied by root of 192 divided by 2. This is equal to 12 plus or minus root of 192 is something as 64, root of 64 times root of 3, which is something as 3 multiplied by root of 64 is 8 multiplied by I divided by 2. This is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus or minus, this is 4I root 3 as our x. Okay, and remember that we also had that x is equal to negative 6. Now moving on from here, okay, we now have difference of two cubes. The difference of two cubes say that when we have a cubed minus b cubed, it's equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Applying this law here, we have x minus 2, okay? Then we have minus 8 multiplied by x minus 2 squared plus 8 into x minus 2 plus 8 squared is equal to 0, okay? This is now equal to x minus 2 minus 8 is minus 10 multiplied by x minus 2 squared is x squared plus 2 squared is 4. Then we have minus 4x plus 8x minus 16 plus 64. 64 equals to 0. Okay? This is now x minus 10 multiplied by, okay, we have x squared minus 4x plus 8x is plus 4x. 64 plus 4 is 68 minus 16 is 52. Okay? So we're equal to 0. Now from here we have that it's either that x is equal to 10 or, okay, we have x squared plus 4x plus 52 is equal to 0. From here we have that x will now be equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 52 is 208 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 208 is negative 192 divided by 2. Now that this is equal to everything we had before, we have 4 minus 4 plus or minus root of, so we have 8, this is now 8i root 3 divided by 2, which is equal to, this divided by this is 2, so we have negative 2 plus or minus 4i root 3. Okay, so we have our x 5 and x6. Remember that our x4 is equal to 10, x3 and x2 is equal to 6 plus or minus 4i root 3. Then we have our x1 to be equal to negative 6. Okay, so these are the answers of x in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.